Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to use glutinous rice flour to make another very yummy dessert. It's called donkey rolling the sand or dirt. I know it doesn't sound very good, but it's super yummy. It's one of my favorite desserts when I was a child. You need some glutinous rice flour, red bean paste, and roasted soybean flour. If you don't have roasted soybean flour, you could also use cornstarch instead, but definitely need glutinous rice flour. Let's get started. Mix 1 cup of glutinous rice flour with half cup of water. Mix it well until it's silky smooth like this. In a large dish, lightly brush some oil so it won't get too sticky later. Let's pour the goo in and then spread it out evenly. Steam on high heat for 15 minutes, and that's all you need for the dough. Once it's steamed, we're going to take it out and let it cool here. For the filling, we're going to use red bean paste, coconut flakes, and roasted soybean flour. But if you don't have roasted soybean flour, which I found is actually quite hard to find, you can also use cornstarch instead. I'm going to brush a little bit oil on the dough so it's easier to work with, and then use a spatula like this. To make it even better, wet it slightly. Use a large cutting board and dust our roasted soybean flour. For the friends who haven't tried roasted soybean flour, it's super nutty and fragrant. It's like a cross between peanuts and sesame, except even better. Cover the dough with enough soybean flour to make it less sticky, and then roll it out into a rectangle. Next, we're going to spread a very thin layer of red bean paste to it. If your red bean is a little bit difficult to spread, use a tiny little bit water and we'll make it easier. Dust some coconut flakes and then roll it up like a jelly roll. Like that. And we're done. Cut it and enjoy it. It's super chewy and gooey and has a fragrant and nutty flavor from the roasted soybean, the coconut, and the red bean. It's a perfect combination. I think it gets its name, donkey rolling the sand, from the color, but really it doesn't resemble donkey whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching. Like or subscribe to my channel. Bye!